The AI revolution is here, and it's terrifyingly powerful. Imagine a future where machines can outthink humans, solve problems we can't, and reshape industries overnight. That future isn't decades away, it's already here with the launch of ChatGPT 3, OpenAI's most advanced AI model yet. This isn't just an update, it's a seismic leap in artificial intelligence capabilities. Are we ready for what's coming? And if you're fascinated by the rapid advancements in AI, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates, insights, and deep dives into the future of technology. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single video. OpenAI's ChatGPT 3 takes everything its predecessor, GPT-1, offered and amplifies it beyond imagination. On coding benchmarks, GPT-3 achieved an astonishing 71.7% accuracy, leaving GPT-1 far behind. In competitive programming, GPT-3 scored 2,727, nearly 3 times GPT-1's 891. This isn't just an improvement, it's a complete redefinition of what AI can achieve. But it doesn't stop there. GPT-3 isn't just better at coding, it's better at thinking. On the ARC-AGI benchmark, which tests abstract reasoning and problem-solving, GPT-3 achieved 88% in high compute settings, surpassing human-level performance for the first time. Let that sink in. This AI model outperformed humans in tasks that require reasoning through problems it's never seen before. Why does this matter? The significance of GPT-3 lies in its ability to handle challenges AI has historically failed at. Abstract reasoning, complex mathematics, and real-world problem-solving are no longer barriers. It's not just an assistant, it's a problem solver capable of working at the level of human experts, if not better. For developers, this means GPT-3 can generate complex scripts, debug software, and tackle competitive-level coding problems that once required specialized knowledge. For researchers, it means solving intricate math and physics problems in hours instead of months. And for businesses, it means automating workflows, reducing errors, and increasing efficiency across the board. Making AI accessible, GPT-3 Mini OpenAI understands that not everyone has the resources for cutting-edge AI. That's why they've introduced GPT-3 Mini, a more affordable version that retains much of GPT-3's power. With adaptive thinking modes, GPT-3 Mini lets users toggle between low-effort reasoning for simple tasks and high-effort reasoning for complex challenges. Need to write scripts or edit documents? GPT-3 Mini can handle it in seconds. Facing a difficult programming problem? Crank up the effort, and it delivers results on par with the full GPT-3 model. This makes GPT-3 Mini a game-changer for startups, developers, and businesses that want advanced AI without breaking the bank. Safety first. Deliberative alignment with great power comes great responsibility, and OpenAI is prioritizing safety like never before. GPT-3 introduces a new approach called deliberative alignment, allowing the model to evaluate high-risk or ambiguous prompts in real time. When faced with challenging queries, GPT-3 doesn't just answer, it reasons. It breaks down its thought process, ensuring responses are both accurate and safe. This is a major shift from traditional static rules and filters. GPT-3 actively adapts to the context, making it the most reliable AI OpenAI has ever developed. When can you access GPT-3? OpenAI is currently conducting public safety tests, giving early access to researchers and partners to fine-tune the model. The GPT-3 Mini version is expected to launch by January, with the full GPT-3 model following shortly after. OpenAI's cautious rollout ensures a polished and reliable experience for all users, with safety and performance as top priorities. The bigger picture GPT-3 is more than just an AI model, it's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. With its ability to think, reason, and adapt, it's moving closer to the holy grail of AI development: artificial general intelligence, AGI. This isn't about answering simple questions or solving basic tasks anymore. This is AI taking on complex challenges and delivering results that rival human expertise. The potential applications of GPT-3 are staggering, In software development, it can streamline coding and debugging. In scientific research, it can accelerate breakthroughs by solving intricate problems. In automation, it can adapt to real-world workflows, reducing errors and improving efficiency. A word of caution: as exciting as these advancements are, they also raise questions. Are we prepared for AI that can outperform humans in reasoning and decision-making? How do we ensure this technology is used responsibly? These are questions we must address as GPT-03 sets a new standard for what AI can achieve. Join the conversation. What do you think about GPT-03? Are you excited about its potential, or does its power give you pause? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. And if you're fascinated by the rapid advancements in AI, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates, insights, and deep dives into the future of technology. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single video. The AI revolution is here, and it's only just beginning. Stay tuned. Things are about to get even more interesting.